everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys the special collaboration that Baskin Robbins 31 Flavors had with Animal Crossing that is part of the month of July. I left my house on the 1st of July and planned on trying to arrive at my local Baskin Robbins by the time they opened at 11 in the morning. And when I was driving along there, I thought I'd try to see if I could catch the moment to see if people were already waiting. And by the time I did arrive, you can see there are a few people waiting outside. Now, real quick kind of fade there, but this is what it looks like inside. It was really cool. The Animal Crossing music was playing in the background. They have the big displays showing all the different choices of different types of sundaes and treats that were available as part of this collaboration. And they also had some cute footage from the game. One of the things that's really cute about the characters is they just naturally will enjoy a drink or an ice cream as they're hanging out in the island, you know, just doing things. And they happen to gather together some really cute footage of everyone enjoying ice cream. So I was able to kind of get a chance to look around at all of this stuff they had there to sort of showcase all the cool things that were available. I waited in line for a little bit, but then it was finally my turn and I was able to order the things I wanted. These are some of the items that were available, a kind of close-up of some of the cups that were used, and the little special gift box that they had as one of the special sundaes that you could order, and a cute bag that looks like a bag of bells. They had a special ice cream that featured the pear and apple flavor from the islands and was meant to look like an island with the cute little shadow of the fish that you would see in the game when you play and you try to catch fish in the ocean. That shape that was of the fish that you saw there, that's the actual shape from the game to show where there is a fish that you can catch. So one of the items they had was this double cup sundae that you could get the charm of Timmy and Tommy included. And this one was either a small was 680 or a regular was 930 yen. So that was one choice that you could get. And then another type of sundae that had a double scoop in it was this one. And there was these two different kind of versions available for the cup. And that was just sort of lucky chance. And the small was 510 and the regular for that was 760 yen. Now, if you got either of these two double cup sundaes, you might possibly get this cute sticker that was for a limited time. And I was able to get that, so that was really cool and nice to have. And then another cool item they had was this gift box sundae. And the gift box sundae was just one size, 820 yen. That little icon with the leaf on it, there was either three choices, the leaf, the DIY, or the clothes item. Another item was this cute kind of nighttime vibe that you'd get with the cute owls that I love so much. And they had all these different bits of stars included. If you have the shooting star visit your island the next morning, then you'll find those little bits of star on your beach. And they use the candies that we have in Japan to use that. And I thought that looked super cute, very adorable. And that was 1,350 yen. And then this is Johnny, who is in a blue soda option. That was 620 yen. And then another cool chance was to get 8 cups of a variety of ice creams. And then if you paid for that, you'd get this bag that looks like a bag of bells. Now that was 3,000 yen for the small and 3,560 yen for the regular size. They also had this cute cake that you could get. That's 3,900 yen. And that has all the characters on it. And while you were there, if you were logged into your Nintendo store, you could use the GPS check-in to be given one of those stickers. So there was lots of cool things you could get. I got this cute gift box because I just thought it was too adorable to have on my desk afterwards. I also got the regular sundae so that I could get the charm and the sticker, and of course my favorite little guys there with their adorable little selves. I just love those two, so I was super excited to get them. Everything was so tasty, and I was so excited to be able to get a chance to get all of these and able to have all the cool items that I'll get to keep in my collection to look back on. So that was a lot of fun. They also have some special items that are part of the game if you want to go in and check out that. And I'm going to have a separate video that shows you guys what that was like. So look for that in the future here. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.